Sabi ba ito, hold na rin.
Nakakata na yan.
いや、どんぐらいから引いたんだろうね。
いや、結構引いてたよ。で、どこまで全然来ないの。だから宮田がなかなか降りてなくて。
You understand English? You understand English? English?
ありました、もう最高。
What do you understand English?
いや最後 BS が先頭で、その後なんかもう一個のイランのチームがいて、そこからもう勝った
イソリン。
おおすげえ。
Any other mistake?
Any other race before? Outside Japan, outside Japan.
Outside Japan, to Thailand, last week.
You won it?
No, but my teammate Shimizu second place last general.
You're second place.
You.
This is first time victory.
In how many years? In how many years? First
10 years. 10 years racing, but never won.
Did you represent your country? Did you represent your country in international tiling competitions like the Asian Games?
ちょっとこれ
Asian Games?
これもあるからさ。
East Asian Games.
Huh?
East Asian Games.
East Asian Games. Where? In Japan?
2010. No.
In Japan or in China?
No, Hong Kong. Team time trial.
What was your place in Hong Kong?
In Hong Kong, team trial.
Last year.
No, 2009.
Do you think you'll win it here? You're going to win here, do you think? You're going to win here all the way. Can you win this race, do you think? You win it?
I don't know. I
Yung
hope
ilan natin sa
so.
Hong Kong? Tataya lang.
Kazo! やった！
Are you married? Are you married?
No, single. I want to marry.
やったよー。初めて。
How many years you've been riding?
10 years. First time.
First time, first victory, huh?
First time victory.
You have any intention to go to join the Tour de France like the two Japanese who joined the Tour de France last year?
No. I want to go to France, but maybe next year I go.
Yeah, because you have two Japanese in the Tour de France.
Yeah. Pep and Rashid, do you know?
First in Asia to join the Tour de France. Yeah, last year only. Japanese.
Are you working or you are a professional cyclist?
Professional cyclist.
How was the weather, sir? Was it too hot for you?
ドーピングでも後で。
Very sunny.
Very hot. Very
How
hot.
did it affect you?
I like this weather.
How long
not
is your bike?
so much humid.
How long is your bike? How long is your bike? How many years is your bike?
10 years.
10 years? Your bike 10 years?
This bike, 3 years. 2 years.
It's
This is my company's bike. Bridgestone Anchor is a brand name.
Do you think you will join the national team in Japan and join the 2012 London Olympic Games?
Yeah, I hope so.
You have a plan.
Did you suffer flat tires or you suffered leg cramps? No cramps? No flat tires? No. So you rode the bike trouble free.
Trouble free. Special package. Okay.
Where's your bike? Where's your bike? Where's your bike?
Okay. Higher. Thank you. One more.
This time. Strong. You can carry. Sir, finish lang isa, sir.
This bike is perfect. Tomorrow. Really?
Congrats.
I want to keep, but I want to win another stage. Because last day final big climb. I'm not a climber.
Tomorrow is another long club. Okay.
Thank you.
One more time.
Got it.
Very happy now.
Yes.